Tired of staff drama or costly mishires? This hiring guide saves you time, stress, and your sanity. Learn what traits really matter when building your first hotel employees. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Hiring your first hotel team? Scary, isn't it? You're not just filling roles, you're setting the tone for your entire business. One bad apple, and you'll feel it in reviews, guest complaints, and staff drama. One rock star, and your guests will rave, rebook, and refer. Let's face it, independent hotel owners wear too many hats already. You need a team that makes you look like a genius, even when you're running on 3 hours sleep and double espresso shots. Let's walk through what to look for when building that dream team. Spoiler alert, it's not just experience. The front desk face. Hire for heart, not just a smile. This is your guest's first and last impression. More than just answering phones or checking people in. Your front desk person is your brand ambassador, emotional sponge, and occasional superhero. Look for empathy over perfect diction, the ability to stay calm during chaos, lost keys, late arrivals, leaky ceilings. Familiarity with the property management system helps, but personality wins. Ask in the interview, tell me about a time you've had to handle an upset customer. Their story will tell you more than their resume ever could. Your housekeeping, detail-oriented and proud. This isn't just about folding towels into swans. It's about pride. Your housekeeping staff must spot things you miss, like a stray hair on the sink or a smudge on the mirror. You want someone who works methodically and doesn't miss a trick, isn't shy about speaking up when something's off, understand that cleanliness equals guest trust. Bonus points? If they've worked in healthcare or in luxury cleaning, standards are sky high in both. Picture this, your dream hotel, alive with the buzz of happy guests and a thriving business. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Great hotels don't just happen. They're built with a clear plan. I'm Jerry McPherson, and in the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, I'll show you how to turn your vision into a successful, guest-focused property. Want to learn more? Click the link now and take your first step toward making your dream a reality. Your maintenance. Jack of all trades. Things will break. Toilets will clog. Lights will flicker. Your maintenance person needs to be half MacGyver and half mind reader. The ideal traits to look for? Broad skills. Electrical, plumbing, carpentry, even a bit of tech. Willingness to be on call or responsive fast. Takes initiative. Fixes the squeaky door before anyone complains. Ask, what's your biggest DIY fail? A humble answer shows they learned from mistakes. Food and beverage. Flexible, friendly, and fireproof. Even if you only offer breakfast, you need someone who gets food safety, guest allergies, and good coffee. Oh, and they should be a morning person. No grumpy bacon flippers, please. Qualities to hunt for? Can multitask. Yes, that's cliche, but it's real in food and beverage. Knows a bit about local produce, simple menus, and dietary needs. can chat with guests while flipping pancakes, and does not burn either. If they can upsell the breakfast basket and remember gluten-free requests, hire them yesterday. The ultimate player. Float like a butterfly, adapt like a pro. Every small hotel needs a utility player. Someone who jumps in from front desk to cleaning to restocking minibar chocolate without fuss. They don't need a fancy title, but they need a curious mind and a can-do willingness to learn everything from reservations to running the washer. A radar for guest needs before guests say them out loud. This role is ideal for recent grads, retired pros, or travelers turned locals with hospitality in their bones. Can't find that all in one person? You won't. But here's a trick. Hire for attitude. Train for skills. People with the right mindset can learn systems, but you can't teach warmth, resilience, or the ability to genuinely care. And remember, don't just focus on what they bring. Think about what they take off your plate. A well-picked team will give you your time back, your sanity, and a reason to love this business again. You're not just managing rooms. You're building a business that lasts. One with stories, not just spreadsheets. Your independent hotel blueprint helps you do just that. Download it. It's time. You can find a link in the show notes. What was the best or worst hotel staff experience you've ever had as a guest or an owner? Let me know in the comments. Here are your 5 key takeaways. Hire for attitude. Train for skill. Front desk sets the tone. Choose wisely. Housekeepers with pride keep guests happy. Utility staff equals your secret weapon. 1 rock star beats 3 clock watchers. Your first 5 hires will shape your hotel's culture, service standards, and guest reviews. Choose people who bring energy, not just experience. Look for heart, hustle, and humor. With the right team, your hotel will run smoother, and you'll finally sleep at night. Want help with interviews, job descriptions, or onboarding systems? The Hotel Owner's Roadmap Start Managing Grow course walks you through the full hiring journey with checklists and scripts. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.